Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to link Google Drive files in Basecamp. All right. So first up, log into your Basecamp account and open up a project. Click on one. And once done, go ahead and find this section, Docs and Files. If you can't find it, click on the three dots right here at the top right. Click on Setup Tools. And then here, make sure that Docs and Files is toggled on. Now going back, in here, click on Docs and Files. Now, click on New. Now go ahead and click on Google Drive. Once it loads, give your link a name. For example, click this link to view my photo, like so. And then in here it says, paste the Google Drive link here. So what you'll do is just open up your Google Drive account, okay? Type down drive.google.com, hit on enter, and then just log into your Google account, okay? Once done, go ahead and find the specific file. Let's say my photo right here. I'm going to click on it, right click, and then click on share. Then don't copy the link yet, all right? Make sure to click on share. And then in here, under general access, make sure that it is set to anyone with a link. Once done, wait for it. It says here, access updated. You can now go ahead and click on copy the link from here, hit on done, or you can right click, share, copy link. Okay. Once that's done, you can now go ahead and close it, paste the copied link to here, and then the kind of document will be automatically selected. Okay. If not, select the correct one. You can go ahead and add in a note if you want to. If not, just leave it and then click on post this. So when someone opens up the project and click on Docs and Files, then they're going to go ahead and click on Google Drive, view on Google. They will be landed to the exact file that you linked. And that is it. That's how easy it is to link Google Drive files in Basecamp. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.